Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Blooket account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, make sure you have subscribed and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC and there on the URL search for blooket.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be end up to its official homepage. Now, if you're new to Blooket and haven't registered your account yet, then you can tap on sign up button at the top right corner of your screen and then follow all the steps till the end to create your Blooket account. Now, if you already have an account and wants to get logged into your account, then you have to tap on login button at the top right of your screen, and there you will be taken to its login page. Now here you have to type in your username or your email address and then the password of your account. Now if you have created your Blooket account using your Google account, then you have to tap on login with Google option and then directly get logged into your Blooket account. And if in case you have forgotten your password, you can recover it by tapping on forget password link. Now once you're done with typing in your email address and the password of your account, tap on let's go button. So that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your Blooket account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.